Do you find yourself creaking, cracking, groaning, or moaning more as you age? I recently took a look at a website that tried to determine your real age compared to your chronological age. I was pleased to see that it covered a variety of areas related to positive stress management, and this sparked some interesting reflection regarding healthy aging. Studies show that regularly exercising our brains by problem solving, organizing, and prioritizing helps our bodies age healthy. So my hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating this healthy aging month? Well, besides the obvious of healthy eating and staying hydrated, along with regular exercise, make sure that you're getting an adequate amount of sleep. And finally, look for creative ways to stimulate your brain. If you'd like some more tips, follow me on Twitter at SOS to Stress.